Hi guys, Mav here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do custom stickers and DIYs. Now for today's video that I'm really excited about in celebration of Pride Month, we will be doing a rainbow pour painting with swipe technique using acrylic paint and water only because it's the cheapest way to go. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright, so take two. I made the paint consistency a bit thicker than earlier, and still we're going to be starting off with the negative space and using the popsicle stick to spread that out. Now, I've already cut these kitchen towels, and it's a 2-ply towel, so I just separated it, made it 1-ply, so it's going to be more flexible. So this is definitely thicker now compared to the first one. Want to get that on the side, in the corner as well. Because that's one thing I didn't do earlier, which I should have done. I'm trying to leave a space. I want the colors to be, as equal as possible. And what I noticed was, the thicker your paint, the thinner your paint is, when you blowtorch that, it actually burns faster than the thicker ones. Okay, cool. It's not blending. That's exactly what we want. And then, of course, the green. Made the green a bit darker as well. Like, tree green. Okay. Trying to push that to the orange. As you can see, I'm actually dipping in the popsicle stick to the canvas itself so I can control the liquid better. Oh my god, I'm already so happy with this. I hope the purple doesn't mess it up. Okay, this is more watery than the other colors. So I guess we gotta put more blue. Try to push that in a bit. Oh my god. That is so pretty. I'm already loving it this way. Alright, let's see. Okay, now what I'm going to try to do is do one color at a time. then we're gonna go back to the other side later on. Oh my god. Messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. I guess don't put it on the sides that much. Oh sh! But of course I'm gonna fuck something up. Okay, now going to the other side. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Okay. Okay, I'm not mad. Definitely not mad. The color separation is just... Okay, now we'll blow towards this thing. This is the thing with poor painting that I've learned, is that you gotta learn when to stop. And I'm happy with this. Now I'm just gonna do the side. It didn't drip too well on the sides, which is fine, because we can just fix that like this, I guess. That's why it's also good to have, you know, some extra paint. Like, don't use it all up. And I'm happy with it. I'm gonna leave it this way. And I hope the person that I'm gonna be giving to this painting loves it, or at least likes it. And I hope you like it too. That's it. Okay, so I had so much fun with this rainbow palette, so I actually did another one off cam, and I just basically laid it out on an old canvas that I already have that I don't want anymore. It's been dried out for years. Turns out I kind of love this. It's like poor painting, like painting with tissue. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Mav. You know, have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Pride Month. You have a great day. Bye-bye.